So hey guys, it is another day of Vlogmas, and it is also Thursday, which means today is TTC Thursday. It's just me in this video. Babe, it'll be me in the next couple of videos. Babes has to travel for work for the next couple of weeks, so it'll just be me for the next two videos, as far as I know of right now. Just to let you guys know, this is a reminder that the footage that you guys are seeing is from previous testing. We've already gone through the emotions of not getting a smiley face, etc, etc. So since we've already gone through it, we're going to go ahead and share it with you guys, and you guys can see how we dealt with it, how we're dealing with it now. So just wanted to say happy Vlogmas, happy TTC Thursday, and I will see you guys in the next TTC Thursday video. Bye y'all. So hey guys, it is January 29th, cycle day 14. We are getting ready to test. So when I take the test, I'll show you guys in a second. We're starting our ovulation test. So trying to see if I'm ovulating today, which I think I am. We've been tracking for a couple of months, so hopefully I'm right. And we'll see. One moment y'all, let me check. So guys, it's stinking. We'll see what it says in a second. So y'all, I'm wrong. I'm not ovulating, so we'll keep testing to see what the outcome is. So let me be honest with you guys. I have changed my eating habits within the last 2 to 3 weeks. I've been a person who does not drink water at all, not even a little bit. But I have been drinking more water now, and since I've been doing that, well, this is the first time I've tested since we've changed our eating habits or whatever. And I noticed, like, most women will notice the difference in their cervical mucus. It might be a TMI, sorry, but if you're TTCing, then this is what this is for. But I never knew the difference with your cervical mucus, but I saw the difference today. Well, that was before I even tested, but I saw the difference today. So ladies, if you don't know your bodies, learn them, because I didn't know at first. But I do see the difference now since we've changed our eating habits. I don't eat a whole lot of what I used to eat before, and cutting back on sodas. I used to have like 3 and 4 a day, but now I'm down to 1 a day, 1.5. But just wanted to be real with you guys and tell y'all that I do see a difference now. But we'll keep testing. Today is cycle day 14, as I did state, and I did not get a smiley face, so we'll just keep testing. See you guys in a few. So good morning guys, it is cycle day 15, and we tested this morning, and I'll let you see. Hold on. So I'm still not ovulating, guys. So good morning guys, it is January 31st, 2017. It is cycle day 16, and I just tested and it's stinking. So I'll check back in a few. So the results are in, and it's still no smiley face. Cycle day 16, guys. So hey guys, it is January 31st, about 6:30 in the evening. Babe and I decided that we were going to test twice a day, and I tested this morning and I didn't get a smiley face, so I've decided to use I forgot what it's called, the ward off, the strip things. Hold on, I'm about to make a mess. Dang it. Hold on, y'all. these things. So we decided to use the strips as well as the clear blue. And the other one was thinking, but now it's finished. Hold on. So it's still no smiley face. And this one, you can't really see. There's no line there. Well, it's a faint one, so I guess that means it's negative. So I'm gonna keep the little test strips and keep them on a sheet of paper. So I don't think I'm looking in the right spot. But I'm gonna put them on a sheet of paper so we can compare the lines, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
She's got a baby inside and holds her belly tight.